Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I created this particular painting. I'm doing a split base with Prussian Blue by Amsterdam on one side and Titanium White by Amsterdam on the other side. You can find all the paint colors and ratios listed in the description box along with links to all of the supplies as well. I'm popping some of those air bubbles with a heat gun. Now we're ready for the colors. This is Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics, Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art, it's their Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint, and Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. I'm popping some of those air bubbles again with a heat gun. I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I really like the colors, but I want to play around with the composition a little bit using a straw. So I'm still loving the colors, but I'm not mad about the composition. So I'm going to let this dry and then see what else I can do with it. With the painting dry, I thought it might be nice to add a stencil to it, so I'm attaching this butterfly stencil using some painter's tape. I'm going to paint the butterflies using this sponge. I don't like to have too much paint on the sponge, otherwise the paint gets underneath the stencil, so I'm just using a very thin layer of paint on the sponge. So let's see how it turns out. I like the gold shimmer and I like the colors, and I think the butterflies help. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.